So today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 6970 all-in-one printer. So I'll show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now open the printer. If you can just lift it from this side, or if you want you can lift it from front. You can just lift it from the side and it will just hold itself here. Now and then you just have to wait for the ink cartridges to come here. So once the ink cartridges arrive in the middle, we just take them out. So press, there is a lock here, so you just have to press and it will open with that. Just take all of the ink cartridges out one by one. Now install the new ink cartridges just like this and push it downwards, and also match with the numbers with the alphabets written here. C is here, Y is here, and K is here. And now push the door down, it will just close itself and we are ready to use now. Thanks for watching.